Guide to Kitchen Towels, a handy kitchen companion. Kitchens are one of the most important and busiest places in home, which is full of countless appliances helping in simplifying tasks from cooking to washing dishes. Whereas kitchen towels are a main characteristic, it would not be wrong to say kitchen towels are very helpful. What are kitchen towels? Simply, as the name defines, kitchen towels are used in kitchen, but they are more than that. They have significant number of uses and are known to be the most handy and versatile tool of the kitchen. A kitchen towel is plain, generally white, regularly with a stripe, and exceptionally utilitarian. They are retentive and sturdy and ought to be accessible in mass, since you require a perfect one each time you cook. Types of kitchen towels. Number 1, chef towel. Each great chef knows the estimation of a fantastic kitchen towel, and dependably has one next to them. Truth be told, the best chef has a heap of towels available to them, so they can get a new one for a moment, to manage that spill or hot thing prepared to leave the stove, and even for cleaning knives and cutting boards in between. Number 2, dish towel. As its name proposes, numerous individuals additionally use dishcloths for drying dishes and wiping tomato sauce off a pot or a spill off the counter. You can envision, at that point, that those dishcloths are getting much more than they're intended to, including bacteria. A dishcloth must be washed after 1 or 2 uses, as a dirty towel shifts bacterium on the dishes, which may cause problems. Number 3, tea towels. Tea towels is another kind of towels used in kitchen to be used for serving scones or muffins, may be used for cleaning cutlery or used for decor with tea and breakfast tables. Number 4, hand towels. Hand towels are other towels used to dry up hands in the kitchen while working. Hand towels are softer on skin. Materials used in manufacturing of kitchen towels: cotton, linen, terry cloth, microfiber. Uses of kitchen towels. Number 1, cleaning and drying dishes. Number 2, drying vegetables and herbs. Number 3, drying hands. Number 4, general cleanup. Number 5, pot holder. Perfect weight for the kitchen towels. Number 1, lightweight up to 350 GSM. Number 2, medium weight 400 to 600 GSM. Why to avoid cheap kitchen towels? Cheaper kitchen towels might be appealing in discounts, but they are thinner, made out of low-quality fibers, and tend to shed lint, tears out in lesser tie of usage. Cheap kitchen lost their shape much quicker than good and thicker towels. They get more wrinkles. Simply, it can be said that a cheap kitchen towel aesthetically deteriorates your kitchen overall look. Why to buy our kitchen towels? We always give priority to quality. That is why our kitchen towels are durable and long-lasting. Their absorbency is much better than other kitchen towels available in the market. Our kitchen towels have perfect weight. They are lint-free to make sure a clean surface. We have many different colors, ranging from a monochrome to multicolored towels, with many patterns such as checkered designs, stripes, and more. We also offer low prices with great quality.